Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi highlighted OTV program Cybercrime for awareness on cybercrimes. Addressing a gathering on the occasion of National Consumer Day, CM Majhi drew attention of audience to OTV's unique program. Chief Minister Majhi commended the dramatized story presented in OTV's program. He stated that OTV effectively depicts the various methods through which individuals fall victim to cyber scams. The program, which is an initiative of OTV, strives to prevent cybercrime by illustrating real-life cases, educating citizens, said Majhi. OTV's cybercrime program showcases plights of people who have fallen victim to fraudsters. The program also educates the public about cyber fraud tactics and also the misuse of OTPs.
OTV रे जो मैंने देखुवे कौन गोटे विषय अच्छी तार साइबर ठकेईर विषय सबुदिन गोटे गोटे दौर आम केमती ठकई होती आमर तार नाट्य रूपांतर भी दि जाऊँगी से धीरे 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 से आम ऑक्टोपस पंजारे फसीगला भाया